Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. And here you have the different icons for different applications. Find the icon of the app you want to uninstall. Once you find it, press and hold on that icon. And after a second or two, you will see the pop-up with the uninstall option. You can tap on it, tap on the check mark, and the application will be removed from your watch. You can also remove the applications through the settings. So we can find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the apps option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here tap on apps again. Wait until the list of applications is done loading, and once it's done, find the application you want to uninstall on the list, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and then tap on uninstall button to remove it. Okay, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.